In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in ChatGPT. So, the first thing you want to do is upgrade to ChatGPT 4.0. So there should be a button down here to upgrade. It's about $20 a month, but that's how you use the application that I'm going to use. And it's also how to use image creation applications in general. We're going to look for one called DALL-E. It's this first one that popped up here for me, but it's called DAL/E. And pick the one by ChatGPT. All right, we're going to start a chat. We're going to say, create a YouTube thumbnail for, and then this is the video I need a YouTube thumbnail for. So I'm just going to copy and then paste that into here. And I just click enter, and it starts creating it. And while this is creating the image, you're going to want to use a converter. I'll put the one that I use in the description. It's called easygif.com/webp to JPEG. DALL-E creates images in WebP format. So you have to convert it to JPEG in order to use it in on YouTube. So let's see. How to write an SEO friendly. So this is pretty good. And we're just going to download this, convert it, boom, upload it, save. I'm gonna copy that again. Upload, boom. All right, we have ourselves a thumbnail and time. So that's how you do it. And there's other applications that you can use. There's other image applications you can try. I personally like this one because it's, in my opinion, it's the fastest and easiest. It just starts creating it as soon as you put it in. And it creates pretty good thumbnails. I've created some awesome thumbnails. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.